It was a rainy afternoon when Clara, a young woman in her late 20s, returned to her childhood home after years of silence. Her father had recently passed away, and the house, quiet, old, and heavy with memories, felt like a stranger to her. While sorting through boxes in the attic, she found something unexpected, a yellowed envelope sealed with wax and marked, "For when you are ready." Clara hesitated. The handwriting was familiar, her father's. Her heart pounded as she broke the seal. Inside lay a letter written decades ago, but addressed to her mother, who had left them when Clara was just a child. The verse revealed something Clara never knew. Her mother had not abandoned them. She had been asked to be. The letter spoke of guilt. Her father had pushed her mother away during a difficult time. His pride, his fear, and his temper had broken their family. He had hidden the letter in the attic, hoping one day Clara would find it and understand that her mother's silence was not abandonment but heartbreak. At the bottom, he had written, "I hope this truth brings you peace, the peace I never found." As Clara read, flashes of childhood memories returned. Her mother's lullabies, her father's distant gaze, the quiet dinners where love had turned into silence. She realized she had spent years resenting the wrong person. The truth broke her heart, but also began to heal it. Clara decided to find her mother. Weeks of searching led her to a small cottage by the sea, where an elderly woman with kind eyes opened the door. It was her. Years had passed, but the recognition was instant. Neither spoke for a moment. Then, through trembling lips, Clara whispered, "Mom, I know everything." They sat together for hours, sharing stories, regrets, and long suppressed love. Clara finally understood that forgiveness wasn't forgetting, it was understanding. The envelope had not only revealed the past, it had rewritten her future. Months later, Clara returned to the attic, this time with a smile. She placed the letter back in the trunk, along with her own note. "I forgive you, Dad, and I understand." As sunlight streamed through the window, she felt something she hadn't felt in years: peace. Sometimes the things we hide to protect others become the very things that hurt them most. But when truth finally surfaces, it brings not pain but healing. Because forgiveness is the most powerful form of love. Moral of the story is forgiveness doesn't change the past. It heals the heart so it can embrace the future. Here 10 difficult words with their meanings to learn and improve English. Hesitated. Pause before doing something, often due to uncertainty or emotion. Familiar. Something known from the past, easily recognized. Abandonment. The act of leaving someone or something behind, especially emotional. Guilt. A feeling of remorse or regret for something done wrong. Heartbreak. Deep emotional pain caused by loss or sadness. Recognition. The moment of realizing or identifying someone or something known before. Tremor. Slight shaking movement caused by strong emotion or weakness. Suppressed, hidden or kept back from being expressed openly. Nostalgia, a sentimental longing for moments or people from the past. Forgiveness, letting go of anger or resentment towards someone who has caused hurt. For more such stories, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.